Can we start, children? Can we start now? All of you on the camera.
Yes, sir.
All of you on the camera. Zavian is there. Adarsh, Praharshan. Okay, children. See, you can see this question number 9. A card is drawn from a pack of card. Okay. So you have to find the probability that the card drawn is a spade. All of you just write in the chat box, children, what to do with this question. There are 8 questions in this. Okay. All of you write fast. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Okay. Find the probability that the card drawn is spade, red card, face card, 5 of heart or diamond, and then ace or king, all of you do, children, all of you do the answer. How to think in this question? A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is spade. How many spades are there? Others? How many spades will be there in a pack of card?
13.
Huh?
13.
13. So 13 divided by total outcome here is 52 cards. So favorable outcome is 13 by 52. So answer is 1 by 1 by 4. Red card. How many red card will be there, Zavian?
So 26.
So 26 divided by 52. So answer is 1 by 2. A face card. Who will tell about the face card? Drishi.
So can I?
Yeah, say.
So 12.
12 divided by 52. So answer is what?
3 by 13.
3 by 13. Next is, who will tell this? Any one of you can tell me. 5 of heart or diamond?
18 by 52.
18 by 52. How it is coming?
5 of hearts and as well as 13 diamonds. So 5 plus 13 equals to 18 and total cards are 52. So 18 upon 50.
Okay, fine. So 5 of heart. It means how many heart will be there? 5 of heart means what?
So can I say?
Say.
So 5 of heart is like one card. So
yeah, 5 of heart is one card.
One card. So the favorable outcome will be 2 and the total number of outcome will be 52. So it will be 2 by 52, which will get the total outcome, like the total value will be 1 by 26.
So question is not actually, you can't see this is clear or something like, you can't say right? This question is a bit confusing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, 5 of heart or diamond, you are saying. It means that what we think, 5 of heart as well as diamond or what, correct? So let me check the answer, what they have given the answer. As per that, we just try once. Let me check the answer once. Answer of this is, I'll check once, 1 minute. Because this question is bit, this one, confusion is there, right? It may be 5 of heart or diamond. Means 5 of heart or diamond, maybe any diamond or 5 only. That is
Yeah,
our
it will
question,
be
right?
like 5 of diamond only because they have mentioned 5 over there. 5 of heart or diamond.
25B, ninth one. 1 minute. 2 by only is the answer. Yes, 2 by only will be there, I think. Let me check. 25B, question number 9. So fourth one, that is 1 by 26. So both they are taking 1, we are taking 5. Only 5 is common for heart as well as diamond. So heart will be 1 and diamond also will be 1. So 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Is it clear, children? Now jack or queen. Jack or queen. So jack will be what? Jack will be 4 and queen also will be 4. So total outcome is what? 8. So 8 by 52. So answer is what? 2 by 13. Ace and king. Ace and king. What is the answer, children, here for this? Who will tell me the answer for this? Ace and king.
Sir, there are
So the answer will be same, sir. 2 by 13 only.
Why?
So because ace, sir, in a pack of cards, ace is also 4 and king is also 4, sir.
Okay.
So 4 plus 4, 8, and the total number of outcome is 52. So 8 by 52 will get 2 by 13, sir.
If here or will be there, then what is the answer?
Sir, it's the
Radian?
same.
What
Sir,
we can
just
do
a
for
minute.
or and what we have to do for and?
Ace or king, right, sir? So
I am
So
asking ace or king means 4 plus 4, that we know. In or we will add exactly and we'll get 8 by 52. This is for or, not for and. So here I'm asking I'm asking about and, ace and king. Praharshan, what is the answer you have written here? Sixth one. 8 by 52, Praharshan.
yes,
So 8 by
4
52.
aces and 4 kings.
So 8 by 52 is the answer for or part, okay, not for and. So what is the answer for and, children? What is the answer for and? Who will answer me? And means what is common in this both, children? Common. Nothing is common, no. And you should write for common, and you are writing means what? Common. And or means addition. Okay. So remember that and should apply for common thing and or for addition. Samarth? Samarth? Understood? No, Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
The total outcome is 0. So here favorable outcome is 0. So the answer is favorable outcome by total outcome. So answer is 0 by 52. So answer is 0. Now red and a king. How many red cards will be there? 26 red card will be there, correct? And there are four kings will be there. So how many kings are common in this two?
2 by 52, so 1 by 26.
But common is 2. Yes, common is 2. So answer is 2 by 52. So answer is 1 by 26. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Red or a king? Who will tell me the answer? Write in the chat box. Red or a king? Red or a king? What is the answer for this? I know 50% people will give wrong answer for this. A red or a king? Who will answer me? Write in the chat box.
Good evening, sir. Sir, will you please repeat the question? I was not there.
I'm saying that this is, we are discussing the question about the pack of cards. Okay. So the question is, what is the probability of getting a red or a king in a pack of cards?
So 28 by 52.
28 by 52. So answer is
So
correct.
answer is 7 by 13, sir.
Answer is what?
7 by 13.
Acha, you have that. Okay, 7 by 13. So red card will be 26 and king will be 4. But already 2 kings is already coming here, right? So 26
Yes,
plus
sir.
2 only we should add. So answer will be
28
probability
by
of the event
52.
is 28 by 52. So answer is what? 7 by
7 by 13.
7 by
7
13.
by 13. sir.
All right. Next. This is an easy question. First all of you write first 4 answers. First 4 answers you write in the chat box, all of you. First 4 answers. First 4 answers. A bag contains 16 colored balls. 6 are green, 7 are red, and 3 are white. A ball is chosen at random without looking into bag. Find the probability that the ball chosen is red. Red is 7 divided by 16. All of you got this? 7 by 16, 9 by 16, 3 by 16, 12 by 16. Not red. Not red is 1 minus 7 by 16. So this is 9 by 16. White is 3 by 16. Not white is 13 by 16. All of you got the same answer, I think. Okay.
So I do not understand the second one, not red one, sir.
Not red means it may be green or white, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will come? Green and white, how many are there? 6 plus 3, right? 9
Yes,
by
sir.
6, 9 by 16 you can write, or you can write 1 minus 7 by 16, your wish. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So not white, someone has written 12 by 16. Drishi, you have written 12 by 16.
So that was my mistake. I again
All
wrote
right.
13 by 16.
Fine, fine. So fifth question, 5th, 6th, 7th. 5th, 6th, 7th. What is the answer for this? Tell me, all of you. All of right. Again, you write
Sir.
5, 6, 7.
Sir, fifth is it's 13 by 16, and the sixth one is the 9 by 16. Sir.
So green part is 6 and red part is 7. So 13 by 16. Same thing you told Samar.
Yes, sir.
So white
And the
is
second
3
one is
and
9
green
by
is
6.
6. So here also 9 by 16.
And sir,
here
the
is
seventh one is 1, sir. 16 by 16 equals to 1.
all right. So this question, I'm not going to do this question. This questions are easier. Okay, I'm not going to do these type questions now.
Yes, sir.
All part will be easier. We'll do guards, cards, dice, or something like that. Now here there are 8 questions in this. All of you find 8 questions, children. First 4 you do. First 4 you do, all of you. I'll ask then who will answer first.
Done, sir.
Done all 4 answers.
So done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Can I see?
Don't say, let me ask questions from people who has, children are doing very fast. Now the school has answered all 7, 8. Okay, Adarsh, tell me first one. First answer is what? Red card.
1 by 26 by 52 is equal to 100.
Black card, same. Spade. Samarth, tell me spade part.
Same, sir.
Spade is same. Means
Sir,
what?
spade, sir. Sir, spade you will get 1 by 4, sir.
13 by 52, right?
Yes, sir.
Ace. What
Yes,
do you
sir.
get?
Comes to
Ace.
1 by 4.
Ace will
Sir,
be
ace
4.
is 1 by 13, sir.
Sir, ace is 1 by 13.
Okay. Now black ace. Black
Sir,
Sir,
1 by
ace.
52,
1
Saharshan.
by
sir.
26.
Sir, 2 by 52. It's 1 by 26.
2 by 52. The favorable outcome is 2 by 52. Total 1 by 26. Ace of diamonds.
1
Sir,
by
1 by
50.
52, sir.
Sir, 1 by 52.
Not a club.
39 by 52.
Yes, sir.
39 by
3
52.
by
The answer
4.
is what?
3 by 4.
Queen or jack?
By 52.
Sir, 8 by 52, which is 2 by
Yes, sir.
13.
Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
No doubts. This one I'll give 2 minutes time, children. You have to answer this. Okay. Hmm. "30 identical cards are marked with numbers 1 to 30. One card is drawn at random. Find the probability that it is a multiple of 4 or 6.
So 2 by 5.
So answer is 2 by 5. Total outcome is favorable outcome by total outcome. What are you getting favorable outcome? Percent
10, sir.
10.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So
5,
it's 12.
6, 7,
actually.
8, 9, 10. 10 is coming, right?
Yes, sir.
But here if you count, it's coming 12, no? Xavian? If you count here, it's coming 12, right? How are I counting 10? Xavian?
Yes, sir. Sir, I actually added 4 plus 6, sir. I did like that, sir. 4 plus 6, I got 10.
You added 4 and 6. Multiple of 4 and 6 they have given now. Multiple of 4 and 6. Not, you should not add 4 and 6. Multiple and 4 and we are adding 4 and 6 over here.
Yes, sir. I saw like over there is a plus sign you did, no, sir. So I thought it is 4
Hey, you
plus
should
6.
understand, Javian, you should not be fast. Don't take, without understanding this, no use. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just think and tell. What is there? Don't think that one, Javian. We came here for improving, right? If it seeing 4 plus 6, then 10 you see means what is the use of it? See, for this children, don't be hurry burry. Try
Sir, it is 9 by 30, is it? Sir,
which one? 9 by 13?
sir 9 by 30, sir. 9 by 30.
How
It's
it is
first.
coming 9 over there?
Sir, I got, sir, the multiples is 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 20, 24, 28, 30.
4, 8,
So
12,
there is
16, 18 you get.
not 18. Yes, sir. 18 is there, right? 6 multiple.
6 multiple is there. See, here you should write both 2 multiple of, you should write both the multiple, 4 multiple as well as 6 multiple.
Yes, sir. I have included both of them.
So what is coming? 9 is coming or 10 is coming?
Sir, it's coming 9, sir.
How? Read the things. Which all
Okay,
9 will
sir.
come? Tell.
So those are, sir. Okay, okay. I have left 6, sir. 6 itself.
Yeah.
It's time.
Okay, fine. So children, here everything we should add. We should not take it common. See here, 12 and 24 is coming common. Either you take 12 only once. Okay, you have to take 12 only once. That's why it's coming only 10. If you add this coming 12, but you should not consider this 12 and this 12. Okay. So either you have to take this 12 or this 12. The 112 you don't consider. All right, children. 7 is clear.
Yes, it's clear, sir.
Yeah. The second part of is multiple of 3 and 5. So what we are thinking, this common part, right, children? So if you see multiple of 3 and multiple of 5, common is how much? 2 is common. Only 2 digits are common. So answer is 2 by 30. So answer is 1 by 15. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes,
Not
sir.
getting. Huh? Not getting?
Sir, how are favorable outcomes only 2?
See, here they are asking here is common part between multiple of 3 and 5. So multiple of 3 is all these numbers and multiple of 5 is all these numbers. Okay. So what is common in this? 15 and 15, 30 and 30. Rest nothing is coming common, right? That's why favorable outcome is 2. It's clear?
Yeah, sir.
If or is there, then you should add everything. Nothing should repeat. That's it. Is it clear to everyone, children? So multiple of 3 or 5. Multiple of 3 or 5. The or is given means we should add everything, but nothing should repeat. Okay. Repeat part you should take only once. All right, children. So in this case,
All right.
it will come 14, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So answer is 14 divided by 30. So 7 by 15 is the answer. First I'll erase like this only, then just to answer. 1 minute. Because answer will make us like this. No, I'll erase the answer first, then we'll do. 1 minute. This is the best option. Because if I show no, you'll not have that confidence. People will just try to do fast and fast and fast. So now I'm sharing. Share. Yeah, there are 4 questions children over here. 4 questions over here. Your time is only 2 minutes. Right now 8:10. You have to answer me in 28:12. 2 minutes time to everyone. Time starts now. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. One minute gone. Wow, Praharshan, super.
Done, sir.
Done. Samarth. You have written the chat box.
Yes, sir. No, sir, not yet.
One question you do mistake for sure, I think. Children will do mistake one question at least out of 4. One question I think people will do mistake here. Three minutes gone. Samarth, only first one answer you have written here.
Sir, I am sending one by one, sir. I am in laptop, so it's getting some problems. Sir.
Okay. What do you mean by doublet? Who will tell me? What do you mean by doublet? Javian, you know? What do you mean by Rasool? Rasool?
Sir, is it
Yes.
like
Rasool, what is doublet? Can you hear me, Rasool?
Yes, sir.
What is doublet? Do you know that? Answer, Rasool. If you don't know, we'll tell, not a problem. Move to some other person.
No,
Some
sir,
other
I
student will
don't.
answer. Huh? No, okay. Javian, your mic is mute or what? See, Rasool, doublet means nothing but on the both the dice, the number will come same. Either 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Understood, Rasool? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
So doublet means on the both the die, answer will come same. So if you see here, doublet part only 6 times will come, right? So 6 by 36 is the answer for first one. So favorable outcome is 6. So probability of the event is what? 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. A number less than 3 on each dice. A number less than 3 on each dice. They're not asking any sum or something like that, okay? A number less than 3 on each dice. Number less than 3 is which one will come in?
Sir, did you get all my answers?
Yeah. So here what will happen? Number less than 3 is coming into play. I'm taking over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only will come, right? Correct, children? 4 by favorite outcome will 4 only. 4 by 52 will come, right? 4 by 36.
But can you explain it again?
A number less than 3 on each dice. Each dice means either of these two dice, the number should be less than 3. So here 1, 1 is there, so I ticked over here. Again here 1 and 2 is there, that's why I ticked over here. This is 1, 3, so we can't tick because 3 is there, no? Again I have ticked here and ticked here, right? Is it clear? Let me check the answer also parallelly.
Yes.
Question number 14. Second answer is 1 by 9 should come. 25B. Second one, no? 25B, question number 14. Yeah, 1 by 9 is the correct answer, children. 1 by 9 is the correct answer. Now, an odd number as the sum. An odd number as the sum. So see the blue part over given over here, 1 and 2. So how many thing will come odd number? I think it's coming 18 numbers. Out of 36, 18 will come even, 18 will come odd. It's clear, children? So here answer will be 18 will be there, 18 by 36. So answer is 1 by 2. A total of at most 10, maximum 10 should come. It means that 10 or less than that. At most maximum 10 should come, 10, 9, whatever it's coming, still 2 is there, right? Just rounding it off now. I'll just put one green color on the top. 1, 8, 1. 10 should come. The first line will come completely. Second line will come completely. Third line will come completely. Fourth line will not. Fourth line will come completely, right? Fifth line will come till where? Till here it comes. So this part will not come into picture. So 3 will not come. So answer is what? 33 will come, right? So answer is 33 by 36. So answer is 11 by 12. Right, children, or not? Is it clear to everyone?
So fourth one is not clear for me.
Fourth one means total of at most 10, means sum of both the Rasul, sum of both the digits should be maximum 10. It may be 10 or less than 10. Understood, Rasul?
Yes, sir.
So these three dice will not coming into picture because it's coming 11 and 12. Rest all will come. So 36 minus 3 is 33. 33 divided by 36. So answer is 11 by 12. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
So everyone who got all answers correct? Anyone who got all answers correct? I told no, one pakka will do mistake, one, at least one. At least one means what, children? It may be one or more than one, correct?
Yes.
Last, this question is just very, very important. Last question, I also did a mistake when I was doing this question. I was teaching for the older students. I also did this mistake. All of you read this, children. Question number 5, you will just answer me. Question number 5. I have also did a mistake this last question. That I mentioned very, very important. All of you just tell me the 5th answer, children. Who is going to tell me the 5th answer? Nihant, are you there in meeting? Nihant, Verma. Nihant. Can you hear me, Nihant? Yeah, who will tell me the answer for 5th one? Okay. No, answer is
Sir,
not
it's
correct.
1 by 3, sir.
Huh?
It's 1 by 3.
No, 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 no. Answer is wrong, wrong, wrong. Rasul also wrong. Praharshan also wrong. Everyone is wrong. No one is correct. I was also correct. I was also wrong when I did this question.
Sir, is it 9 by 36?
No, whatever you think, it's wrong. If someone is
Okay.
telling correct answer means perfect. You are just telling perfect. So here, an odd number on one dice and a number less than or equal to 4 on the other dice. What is there? An odd number on one dice. Right now also I may do mistake because something confusion is there in question only, I think. not confusion. You have to think in that way. An odd number one dice. Odd number on one dice means it may be first die, means one is there, no. So it may be this
Sir, is
one
it
or this
13 by
one, anyone.
36?
Huh?
Is it 13 by 36?
No, it's not that also. So either in, suppose you are having 6,5. Odd number may be here also, anywhere odd number should be there. And a number less than or equal to 4 on the other dice. Number should be what? Less than or equal to 4 on the other dice. So apart from that odd number, the other number what is there in this? Suppose here odd number is 5. So other number is equal to 4 or less than that. So this will not come into picture. Understood, children? So first of all, what we have to do is, we have to do where is odd number. Where is odd number you're finding? That only will come. See here odd number will coming. Here odd number is there. Odd, 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 odd. 1 is there means odd will be there, right? Xavian? Xavian, are you there? You are most intelligent child in this class. Xavian, you are most intelligent child in the class. You tell me how you got the answer. Tell Xavian how you got the answer. Can you explain, or is just you wrote the answer? Tell me fast. Answer is 5 by 9. Xavian did correct. But Xavian, explain fast. How you got 5 by 9? 5 by 9 is the correct answer, children. 5 by 9 is the correct answer. Can I show where you did in the notebook, Xavian? Acha, all right. Fine. You have made blood. Leave, Xavian, no problem. Just match what I'm doing, whether it's correct, the same thing you did or some different thing. Wait. So here what we are doing, children, here is, first of all, we are just trying to find which is odd number one. Okay, this is also one odd is there. Here both even. This is odd, no, this is even. So this is odd, here also is there. Again here also odd. Everything will be odd here. See, these all are odd. Again in this also we have to find something. Okay, here odd. This part is clear till now, everyone, children? The ticked part, green one, I have written is odd. The first got cleared. Okay, now second should satisfy. I'm putting red mark on that now. Okay, I'll put red mark on it, or yellow mark. Apart from that one, number should be less than or equal to 4. See, other number is also 1. So this is come, this will come. Here this will also come. Less than 4 number, first part, whole thing will come. Correct? Then second part.
Sir, the second one is less than 4 is even. Oh, okay,
See,
sir.
1 is odd.
So 1 by 5 and 2
1
by
is
6.
odd and 2 is less than 4, right?
Okay, sir. Got it.
So 2, 1 is also coming into picture. 2, 3 is also coming
Yes.
into picture. 2, 5 is also coming into picture. No, 2, 5 will not come. 2, 5 will not come because it's more than 5.
So 2,
More
5,
than
1 is
4.
even, sir. So it will not come.
Next, 3, 1 will come. 3, 2 will come. 3, 3 will come. 3, 4 will come. Correct? Is it clear? Rasul, you are getting it? Rasul.
Yes, sir.
Now see, 4, 1 will also come. 4, 3 will also come. 4, 5 will not come. Again, 5, 1 will not come. This wall will not come. 5, 2 will also not come. 5, 3, 5, 4 will not come. 6-1, 6-3, 6-5 will not come. Okay. So answer is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This also is coming, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 by 36 is coming. Hmm?
Sir, it was my answer, sir.
Your answer, this only. So 5 by 9 should come. It means that 20 should come here. Once again, you just try to understand. One is odd number and other one is and a number less than. See children, this also will come. 5 part is there. That's why I was doing mistake here. See, this one you should consider 5-1,
Sir, 3,
5-2,
5, 2, 5, 4, 5
5-3 and
will
this
come,
one.
sir.
4 you should consider. Why you know? Because here we are considering 1 as 5 as odd. Okay. We are considering 5 as odd, so other number is less than 4. Understood children? Here only I did mistake last time also. Understood children here? 5-1
Yes.
we are leaving it because now we have to take, because 5 is odd, other number is less than 4. 5-2 also you should take because 5 is odd and 2 is less than 4. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, 18 by 36. Huh?
Sir, it must not be 20, sir. It must be 21, sir.
21.
Yes, sir. Please check, sir. Sir, 2, 5 will also be there. As 5 is odd and 2 is less than 4.
Yeah, correct.
3, 5 will also be there.
So 2, 5 also be there, correct. 2, 5
3,
also be
5,
there, 3,
4,
5
5.
also be there, correct. Very good. This also will be
Sir,
there.
4,
5,
5
4.
is also. So, sir, 21.
21 is coming now.
Ah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Okay, here will not come. This will not come. This part will not come. See, 1, 6 part will not come. 1, 6 will not come because 1 is odd. No, 1 is odd and 6 is more than that, right? It's clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Samad, it's clear now. So 1,
Yes,
2,
sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now it's coming clear.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. From starting only can hear you, man. Tell.
No, sir, I was trying to say that 2, 5 and like the numbers were missing in the thing, so that's why we got 18 in the first thing.
Which numbers are missing, Javian?
So like we did not take 2, 5, right? So in the starting, and then we left 3, 5, then so 4, 5 and 5, 1 also we left in the starting.
Yeah.
So if we count all that, sir, then we will get 20, sir, total.
Correct. Fine. So right now also I did mistake, children. See, that type we should think. This is kind of confused. Understood now, children? I solved once, then also I got confused in this. Understood? How Zavian is getting, I don't know. Zavian, nice brains.
Sir, I sent you the picture on WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah. You can get, everyone can get. If you type it on Google, no, you'll get the answer completely. A complete answer we can get. Correct, no, Zavian?
Sir, I did not Google it, sir.
Huh?
I did not use Google, sir.
If you type an odd number on a dice, no, you'll get aram se whole answer you get. And this, I know, but right now I'm not saying you are doing, but we can get easily, not a problem. There are so many ways to get.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you are not having doubt, anyone, children? Here, what we are doing mistake is
Sir, I didn't understand the whole question only.
whole question. मतलब राम जी का शादी हो गया, पता ही नहीं चला कौन सीता कौन है, हाँ?
Like, sir, only the fifth one, the whole thing, I didn't understand.
Question you are getting or not? Question, Rishi?
Sir, question I'm getting, the fifth.
Acha. Question you are getting, answer you are not getting, right? Rishi? You are getting the question, but you are not getting the answer, right? What happened? Mute happened or what?
The network problem, sir.
Network problem, so much network problem is there, no?
Sir, in Hyderabad, it is continuously raining, sir.
Everywhere. It's Bangalore also, it's raining heavily every time. Here also it's raining heavily. So if she can't speak or something, how we can answer her? Okay, leave. We'll move to the next concept then. And if she comes, then we'll just later on we can finish it off. Next question is 25C, or just try. This ball part wala will not do. Okay, ball part is very easy. This is also easy. We'll do some hard questions. Okay. Now this question you can do, children. 1 minute. Let me stop sharing. Question number 3rd. Yeah, children, see this question. Question number 3. From a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. Find the probability that the card drawn is a face card, not a face card, a queen of black card, a card with number 5 or 6, a card with number less than 8, a card with number 2 and 9.
Sir, your screen is coming black, sir. I'm unable to
It is
do
not shared.
No, sir, screen
It
is
is-
being shared, sir.
But sir, it's black, sir.
1 minute, once again, I'm just sharing once again. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Now you can see. Now you can see, Samarth.
Sir, I'm rejoining.
Okay, fine.
Sir, even me, sir.
The screen is black for you also.
Yes, sir.
Why it's happening like this? Okay, once again I'm doing here. Now, okay, they left and they will come again, right?
It's clear, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, now I can see, sir.
Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
The last question was cleared, Chanchal, to you.
Yes, sir.
That sixth one, like one should be odd and one should be number less than 4 or 4, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Then send you the answer once they
Others, you've given all the answers, right?
Yes.
Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. All right. So WhatsApp you've sent. I don't know. Javin have sent me on WhatsApp.
Are they correct or wrong?
Huh?
The answers which are sent are correct or wrong?
I just discussed regarding this, then you'll get to know others. 1 minute, I just tell you. Face card is there, that is nothing is there. Face card everyone can tell. This has become common, right? 12 by 52, this is common every time. Not a face card is 1 minus 12 by 52. So answer is, hey, the face card is 12. Not a face card is 52 minus 12. 52 minus 12 divided by 52. So answer is 40 by 52. 10 by 13. You are getting the answer, same answer? 10 by 13. Others are getting the same answer. Yeah,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. 3 by 13. Yeah, this also will get 3 by 13 only. Now, queen of black card. That is, queen of black card is nothing but how many queens will be there? 2. So 2 by 52. So 1 by 13. Card with number 5 or 6. So 5 will be 13, 6 will be 13. So there are 26 cards. So 26 by 15, 52. So that is answer is 1 by 2. A card with number less than 8. Less than 8 means 1 to 7 will come. Means 2 to 7, right? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 cards are there and all cards are of how many types? All cards are there in all the 5 groups, right? So 5 5s are, sorry, 5 4s are 20. 20 by 52. So answer is 4 by 13. Getting the same answer, others? 7 by 13. 2, 3 should come here. No, 2, 3 should come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 4s are 24. So 24 by 52. So answer is 12 by 26. So 4, this is will come 2, 6 by 13. What are you getting? 7 by 13 you are getting. I got 7 by 13, others. 1 also you have taken.
So I got 28 by 52.
1 will not be there, no. 1 is not there in the card only. Instead of 1, ace is there, no, others.
Yes, sir.
Others, instead of 1, ace is there. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So here 24 will come, 24 by 52. Because less than 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But 1 is not there. Instead of 1, ace will come, so you should count from 2. Okay.
So for third one you got 1 by 13.
What others?
So third one is 1 by 26, right?
1 by 26. Third one.
Yes, sir. Third
Yeah,
one.
1 by 26, yes. So everyone got the answer? today, which one you are having doubt, children? You just tell me. We'll close the meeting here itself. Tell me which question you are feeling doubt. Rasool,
Yes, sir.
any doubts? That
No,
was
sir.
interesting, some no, Javian.
Yes, sir.
That was interesting, some no.
Not really, sir. It was a little bit mind tricky question, sir.
Yeah. I applied 2 times, but then also I'm not getting. See? And before also I did once.
So I did like 3 times and I had to strike it off.
Hmm. Nice, very good. Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Drishi, can you hear me now? Drishi. Okay, children, I think it's network problem. They can't hear me. Okay. We'll close the meeting here itself. And those who are having doubt, they can ask the questions if you are having in your mind any questions. Or you can leave for the day, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Want to ask any question, Javian?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I end the meeting?
Yes, sir. You can end the meeting, sir.